Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you why Duolingo keeps changing its app icon to broken and how to prevent this. From funny designs to surprising twists, like Du being sick with snot coming out of his nose, these changes are not random. They are actually part of a clever strategy to keep us motivated and excited about learning a new language. So let's dive in and uncover how Duolingo uses these updates to help us stay on track with our language goals. Duolingo's logo updates are more than just visual changes. They reflect the company's smart approach to keeping users engaged in their language learning journey. Each new version of the Do icon taps into your user psychology, helping maintain interest through creative design. By incorporating humor, such as playful animations and unexpected icon updates, Duolingo makes language learning feel fun and lighthearted rather than intimidating. These updates also work as behavioral nudges, encouraging users to stay consistent. Rewards for maintaining streaks and reminders to complete lessons create a sense of urgency, keeping learners coming back. As the learning continues to evolve, do the all will too. These transformations ensure users stay curious and engaged, making learning both enjoyable and effective. Now let me show you how to change your Duolingo app icon. First, you'll have to open the application on your phone, and once you open it, go to your streak on the left side. After that, you should scroll down till you find here this new app icon. You can simply turn it on. But to get this Streak Society section, you have to get an active streak. And after you select the new app icon, it will be updated once you reopen the application. But this method is only for Android. But when talking about the iPhone, it updates the icon automatically. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.